Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel, where today I'm going to be talking about the Dark and Stormy beard oil from Belfast brand, the Beardy Beard Co. It's available from the beardybeardco.com. The 30ml bottle will cost you £15. Now then, the oil itself is a blend of jojoba, sweet almond, hemp seed and grapeseed carrier oils, and it is a very nice blend indeed. I've actually been using the smaller 10ml one that comes as part of the kit. It left my beard feeling nice and soft and it looks good. I've previously just finished a review for the One oil, and I said there how much I loved it, how much it left my beard feeling really soft and really good. A lovely blend. Now we come to the scent, the Dark and Stormy, and it is indeed dark and stormy. It is a blend of ylang ylang, lime, ginger and bay rum. Now here's where I came across a little bit of a problem. Not a problem, but I'm going to admit to being a bit confused. Put some in my hand, gave it a smell, and I'm like, oh, I'm getting burnt rubber. So immediately I think that means that it's not the Kananga variety of ylang ylang, because from that I don't get burnt rubber. Also it's got bay rum in there, so for me it's not really a scent that I was going to like. But when I go through the ingredients, it is indeed listed down as Kananga. Is that how you pronounce it? Kananga. It is. It's weird, isn't it? It's really like a Bond villain. So up until now, yes, I've had a problem with burnt rubber or rubber scents from ylang ylang, but with the Kananga I haven't had it. But here I am getting it, and it's just a little bit, it is dark and stormy. It's kind of almost a murky type scent for me. That, you know, look, scent is very personal. What I don't like, the next person may absolutely love, and vice versa. And so I appreciate that. I'm not going to really knock a beard oil because I don't like the scent, unless it's that I don't like the scent because of the way it's blended. This has been blended very well. The scents sit very nicely. I can appreciate that it is a good blend. So I'm going to give this one a 95 out of 100 because it is really a very nice product. 30ml cost you £50 from the beardybeardco.com. There's the 30ml there. It comes with a dripper. I'm not very keen on drippers because I'm so impatient. But on the other hand, it does avoid spillages. Or I've got here the Dark and Stormy kit, and you get a 15ml balm and a 10ml oil, and that will cost you $14.95. And finally, I'm just going to mention this. This has been very popular from the Beardy Beard Co. Their logo on the front and the name on the back, and it's a little flip metal comb that will cost you $7.95, and it's a really nice little moustache comb, and I know that they've been selling well. Go and check them out, thebeardybeardco.com. That is that. I will see you next time. Oh, don't forget to like the videos and subscribe to the channel. Almost at 300 subscribers. Almost. Take care.